Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use a DiSEqC. I have here 4-in-1 DiSEqC. So as you can see, here is the receiver port and all the 4 corners over here. You can join your LNBs to any port that you want. So to use a DiSEqC, you need to cut short cable and then you strip it depending on where you are going to join your receiver cable, where you are going to put your DiSEqC and then your receiver cable. So you will strip your cable. You strip your cable very neatly. You set your F connectors. Then you tape it, rolling it in. Cut it short a bit, like this. And then if you have your machine cable strip here, you can use it to strip it. And you set your F connectors. Use your complier to tag the tube. So after getting your cables ready, let's say you are joining 2 LNBs. So the another LNB will be on top of it. You connect your DiSEqC. So I'll connect this LNB to DiSEqC port 4. And this one to port 1. And then you join your receiver cable. Another cable for the receiver. Then join this cable to the decoder. This is how you are going to use a DiSEqC. So thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Alright, bless up.